Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Ortolani Customs Titan is a Yamaha TMAX given superbike treatment, performance upgrades, custom bodywork, and 17-inch wheels from a superbike breathe new life to this Yamaha TMAX. So make sure to watch the full video. The Yamaha TMAX is considered by many as the two-wheeler, responsible for ushering in what's known today as the maxi-scooter, taking the practical sensibilities of a scooter and charging them up with the performance of a motorcycle turned out to be a recipe for success, especially for those looking for a comfortable yet powerful machine that's as easy as twist and go. That being said, maxi-scooters aren't necessarily the most performance-oriented and sporty bikes out there. And the same is true for the good old TMAX. However, this didn't stop Ortolani Customs from transforming a 7th-generation TMAX into a superbike-inspired maxi-scooter, or should I say hyper-scooter. Ortolani Customs is a custom workshop based in Nice, France. The company has a very distinct look about its builds and likes to keep things incredibly sleek, well-polished, and streamlined. It goes without saying that its execution on the Titan, the name given to this custom TMAX, is otherworldly and is striking enough to make non-scooter enthusiasts consider getting a maxi-scooter. Built in collaboration with the Yamaha Castellan dealership in Nice, the Titan has been redesigned to feature aluminum bodywork versus the stock scooter's plastics. Additionally, performance has been bumped up too, thanks to goodies from Malossi and HP course. According to Ortolani Customs, the scooter now pumps out in excess of 50 horsepower. The first thing you'll probably notice is that the Titan seems to have larger proportions versus the standard TMAX. That's because Ortolani has fitted a pair of 17-inch wheels from an Aprilia RSV4 to really give the Titan a superbike-esque appearance. The brakes had to be modified too and continue to feature ABS. Furthermore, out back, gone is the scooter's belt drive system in favor of a chain drive, which required the modification of the swing arm to accommodate the larger wheel and revised drivetrain. Other goodies that complete the package consist of Rizoma stealth mirrors more commonly associated with sport bikes. The dashboard, meanwhile, is a custom unit manufactured by DEV Moto, while the saddle is a custom piece from NMB Design with inspirations from Porsche and Lotus. Overall, the Titan is both a showpiece and a functional custom build, featuring enhanced performance and a unique style that's sure to turn heads. What do you think about this TMAX upgrades? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.